In this video, I will show you how to use a keyboard and mouse on your PS5. So let's jump straight into it. So of course the PS5 does come with the new DualSense controller, which of course is a very good controller. However, some of you coming across from PC gaming might prefer to use a keyboard or mouse. So the quickest way to actually do this is to just directly plug your keyboard and mouse into the USB slots on your console. You've actually got quite a few different USB slots. On the front of the console there's a USB Type A and a USB Type C, as well as two USB Type A slots on the back of the console. Of course, any of these slots will work, so that is the quickest way to do it. Is if you have a wired keyboard and mouse, you can just directly plug them into the console and you should be able to go ahead and use them. Now, just a quick note that not all games are compatible with a keyboard and mouse on the PS5 console. So this is all down to the developers themselves and whether they've included support for a keyboard and mouse for PS5 games. There are some more popular titles such as Fortnite and Call of Duty which will have support, but not all games will be supported. So as well as using a wired keyboard and mouse, you've also got the option to use a Bluetooth connection. So if you've got like a wireless mouse and keyboard, you can connect via Bluetooth. So what you need to do is connect the USB adapter into one of the USB slots on your console. And as you can see on the official PlayStation website, these are the steps on how to pair a Bluetooth keyboard or mouse with your console. So what you need to do is basically turn on the pairing mode on your device, on your keyboard or mouse. Now, if you don't know how to do that, just check the instruction manual and that's going to tell you how to put it into pairing mode. So once your device, your keyboard and mouse is in pairing mode, what you're going to want to do is load up your PS5 console, go to the home screen and then come up to the settings icon, which is the gear icon. From there, you just want to go into accessories and then general and then Bluetooth accessories. Now what's going to happen is your console is going to start to search for nearby Bluetooth devices. So you want to make sure at this point your keyboard and mouse are in pairing mode. And what it's going to do is display this on your PS5 console. Now, not all devices are compatible with your console, so make sure you check this out and make sure that the keyboard and mouse you want to use is compatible with your PS5 console. There is a chance that it may still appear even if it's not compatible, but of course it's not going to function if it's not compatible with the PS5. So once your device has come up in the list, all you want to do is click onto it to pair your device. And what's going to happen is your device is going to display underneath registered accessories and the user and connected appear to the right. So the next time you actually use your Bluetooth device, it should automatically connect to your console. So once you've initially connected it, you shouldn't need to do this again, as long as they're both turned on. If it doesn't automatically connect for any reason, if you just go to the registered accessories section underneath your settings, and then what you want to do is just select your device from the list and then go ahead and select connect. So that is how to go ahead and use a keyboard and mouse on your PS5. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.